This is literally my room before.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Cut them down.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. Just watch me break in. You're sweet.
Okay, so instantly this turns it into fall vibes by adding a pumpkin pillow there. Or just adding it over your pillow over here on the bench. And that's fall vibes as well. So either way, if you just wanted to bring in a touch of fall, you don't necessarily need a pumpkin pillow. You can do like fall colors. Like I have a neutral palette, so I can easily add in colors in here, florals, and even switch my prints out above my bed. Here, that can be switched out to more fall like. Alright, so let me go ahead and share my bathroom little update with you. I kept the tray. I found this little aesthetically pleasing oil from Home Goods, and it's a hydrating oil, but it actually broke my face out, but I'm just using it as decorations. I placed these cups here by default. I really wasn't using them for decor, but they look so good here. I actually wanted to just use one, but I just left both of them placed here. So I found those cups at Home Goods for $5.99, and I'm just using it as a vase. And I thought about adding maybe a candle in this one, but whatever, it is gonna stay there. I love it. I removed things I had here, and look what I added. I shopped my home, and this was outside of my son's bathroom. Beautiful. And this little table was actually in my living room with my plant on it, but when I got my new planterns, I had no other place to place it, so I thought it'll be so good here in the bathroom. Well, this is a very small bathroom, but look at how good. Oh, so good. So this is what it looks like. Now bigger. And then over here it's still just it's functional but really aesthetically pleasing. And this is just how it is back here by the toilet. And you guys may have remembered that I added this little caddy in here. I think it's for mailing folders and all of that, but I just use it for personal wipes, and we usually have wet wipes in there I need to refill. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy. Look how good that looks. Oh my goodness. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little refresh of my master bedroom. We will be, like I said, moving in a couple of weeks, so I am just enjoying it while I can, because there's no telling how long it's going to take for us to, you know, get moved into our new home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little refresh.